In this video, I'm going to show you how to create whiteboard animations like these using Canva. Go to canva.com and select Video. A new page will be opened. This is the text we are going to be animating. Let's begin on a fresh page. Go to Text, select Heading, then type in your text. Resize and arrange the text onto the page. Go to Elements and search for an image of a hand holding a pen. Look for an image that is not transparent in graphics. Resize the image and position it in front of the text. Adjust both the size of the text and image so that the image completely covers the text. Select the image, go to Animate, then Create. Now drag the image across in a handwriting motion. Set the movement style to either smooth or steady and adjust to a speed that works for you. Once everything is set, duplicate the page. On the duplicated page, duplicate the first text and edit it into the next word. Resize and adjust the image so that it covers the new text. Now duplicate the page, then the text, to add in a new word. Arrange the new text in the right position. Once the text is in position, resize and adjust the image to cover the text like we've been doing. Rotate the image where necessary. We are going to create a new animation for this text, because it's slightly longer than the previous texts. Here, you'll also adjust movement style and speed as needed. Now duplicate the page and repeat the same process for the last bit of the text. Adjust the image to cover the text, then bring it to the front. Once all the pages are done, go through the whole video and do a final editing. Make sure that the images on all the pages are moving at the same speed and style. This is how our final video looks like. To download the video, go to Download, select MP4, then Download. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like these. See you in my next video.